Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to turn off SMS of tips and tricks on the application of Grab. To know how to turn off SMS of tips and tricks on the application of Grab, you should just go to the app of Grab as you see and you will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to click in this window of account. After that, in this list, you will enter to this window of settings. Then here in this page, you will enter to communications. Then in this page, you will go to click in this sign. If the sign changed, then you can know how to turn off SMS of tips and tricks on the application of Grab. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.